How to make a Taurus man miss you. If you have fallen for a Taurus, it's likely that you have charmed by the dependable and honest nature. Taurus men are known for being sweet and reliable, and they appreciate those qualities in a partner too. If you want to make a Taurus man miss you, you'll have to play up those qualities, all the while using the power of mystery and intrigue to leave him wanting more. Be less available. A Taurus man, like many signs, appreciates a challenge. Make him work to be a part of your busy schedule. Focus on your own interests and keep making plans without him. While you're busy, try your best not to text him. He'll be left wondering what you're up to, and most likely he'll be so curious that he'll text you to see what's up. Fill up your schedule with fun friend dates, solo trips, and family time. Stay committed to your hobbies and interests. Make time to practice piano, play your favorite sport, and paint. The more you do, the more interested this Taurus man will be by your exciting and full life. Distance makes the heart grow fonder, so don't be afraid to give him a little time on his own. Especially at first, a Taurus doesn't want to know too much too soon. Be strategic and take it slow when it comes to what you reveal to him. It will give him the chance to ask questions and be curious about your life. Here are some examples of ways to really intrigue him. After a wild adventure with your friends, don't text him a block of text detailing everything that happened. Say, "You'll never guess what happened today." If he asks if you ever been to New York City, avoid going into details about your class field trip in high school. Try, "Yeah, I have a few times." Be flirty over text. This can help up the tension in your relationship. Every couple of days, text him a compliment or send a suggestive message his way. A Taurus man really likes to be admired. Pretty soon, he'll start messaging you in hopes that he'll get another flirty message. Text him a compliment. You might try, "I love that shirt you're wearing in the picture you posted on Instagram. You've got the best style." Send a suggestive message about the last time you hang out. Say something like, "I'm still thinking about last night. Can't wait to be in your arms again." Send him selfies. Send him selfies. Remind him how cute and confident you are. Once a week or so, send a picture of yourself to show him what you're up to. Taurus men are particularly visual, and he'll really like seeing your face. By sending him selfies, you'll have him lusting after you and excited to make plans again. Wear an outfit that makes you feel super attractive and take a few photos. Text your favorite picture his way along with the caption, "Thinking of you, what you're up to." Show off your sense of humor. A Taurus man wants someone with a stellar personality, not just looks. Try playing up your sense of humor to help you stand out and stick in his mind. Engage in some witty text banter, reference any inside jokes if you have them, or send him a YouTube clips that you think he would enjoy. Your sense of humor is one of a kind, and he'll miss the one person that really makes him laugh, and that's you. If you have a class together, send him a text referencing something funny or absurd your professor did that day. Try, "Oh my God, still can't stop laughing at what happened in class today." Text him a GIF from your favorite comedy. If his favorite movie is Hot Rod, send over a funny GIF along with the caption, "This made me think of you." Save sarcasm for your in-person interactions. A sarcastic text can lead to misunderstandings pretty easily, especially if you don't know each other super well. Wear put-together and fashionable outfits. Taurus men are usually pretty snappy dressers. They are attracted to that quality in a partner too. When you are picking outfits for your dates, add an extra flourish to make your outfits a little nicer. That could look like a nice watch, a pretty necklace, or a chic blazer or sports coat. Your put-together ensembles and how great you look in them will stick in his mind when you are gone. You don't have to change your style to impress him. Just wear the clothes that always make you feel extra good about yourself, like those plaid pants you save for special occasions or your favorite pair of Oxfords. A signature scent will really catch a Taurus man's attention. If you can, spritz on some perfume or cologne right before your date. Remain confident in yourself. Show a Taurus man that you fancy that you don't need him. It may seem counterintuitive, but seeing that you are happy with yourself without his approval will make him want you more. Play up your accomplishments when you text him and be vocal about your thoughts and opinions. Avoid putting yourself down or seeming insecure when you hang out as best you can. It can be hard to do, but your self-assurance will make this Taurus man go after you in no time. If you struggle to feel confident on dates, that's totally normal. Try giving yourself a pre-date prep talk to boost your self-esteem. You can also repeat positive messages in your head, such as, "I'm super cute and worthy of love," or "I can do this." Embrace your sensuality. Oftentimes, Taurus really values physical compatibility with their partners. If you are both comfortable, try being extra touchy and flirty when you spend time together. In the bedroom, pay attention to what he likes and ask if you are not sure. Touch his shoulder or give him a hug when you greet him. As you get to know him, be physically affectionate through kisses and cuddling. Only do what you are comfortable with. If you are not ready to be super flirty or physical just yet, start slow. Smile at him in conversation and give him a direct eye contact. Let him know how much you care about him. A Taurus man may need a little reassurance. His feelings for you will only strengthen if you are vocal about how much he means to you. Early on, be flirty and complimentary to show him you've got a crush. As you start seeing each other, write him cute notes about why you like him, give him flowers and gifts, and text him sweet messages throughout the week to show that you care. If you're just getting to know each other, flirt a little. Say something like, "I love that shirt. It's a great look on you." You've gotta know how handsome you are. As you spend more time together, try opening about your feelings more. Write him a cute letter detailing all the unique things you like about him. You can also try giving him a romantic gift like flowers or a box of chocolates. Stay by his side and be loyal. Prove to him that you are in this for the long haul. For a Taurus man to let his guard down and start wanting you when you are away, he'll need to know that you aren't vying for the attention of others behind his back. Give him your full attention when you spend time together. Text and call him throughout the week if you are apart, and remain faithful to him if you start dating exclusively. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something interesting about this topic. To show me support, please like this video and subscribe to my channel since I'm new here. And by all means, this is not a love advice of any kind that's professional. This is just a friend-to-friend talk and maybe some input that would be helpful to some of you, but you don't have to go by every word that I said. But keep in mind these tips because they can be helpful sometimes. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.